Yokazi emfuleni, what is happening is it's time for her ukuthi ethwase noma ngabe uyazigeza uyazihlambulula. You get the vibes. If you know, you know. Sanibona ndibelana nabashini. Hi, welcome to Dumisi Itelisha Ben. Ngafuna ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa ngifuna ukuthi uliphuze uhleli phansi ngoba waliphuza ujahile uzosha. Let's get into this video. How naku nje sithi nangu uVuyokazi akatrend utrenda left, right and center, and she was even annoyed ukuthi when I was graduating, when I was buying my apartment, I was not trending like this, but mangenza into engathi ibheke eceleni nina senifuna ukungitrendisa senihambe nikhuluma ngami. Why are you guys like that? But anyway, as you know ukuthi thina nje abantu basemzansi we love idrama, we love izinto ezine spice, izinto ezihlebisayo ngoba what iyahlebisa lento ayenzile anyway. So let me talk to you ukuthi kahle uzithole kanjani umntana abantu sekageza emfuleni ephethe abomam profita. Well, what happened is in fact ukuthi uVuyo, there was a video of her circulating whereby uVuyo went in for a kiss ku DJ Zonzo. Wavele wamuthi ncinci mwa wozothatha ikhisi ewayithatha ke u DJ Zonzo kanti makathi nhla uVuyokazi and when uVuyokazi went in for a kiss, the fact that they were on camera, you can see that uZonzo was shocked because this was supposed to be a secret, but girl was so excited and dragged at the same time to a point whereby she was like, hey, angikwazi nokuyibamba lolu thando oluningi, the feelings are doing a lot, you know. Cool. And then there was also another video that was circulating whereby uVuyo was seen twerking. Yazini Faith Inketsi enzane eklabhini umntana abantu mekethweka kanjalo. uZonzo was busy making the ass but laughing. As he was laughing so hysterically, and you could see this laugh is not that kind of laugh laugh akusilokujaka lokho ukuthi ngijabulile lokho ukuthi mariwenzani, what are you doing? Like it seems as if uVuyo was making a joke of herself because what it was giving clown moments. And then uVuyo came out the following day explaining with yazini guys mina bengidakiwe, it's not like I'm dating uZonzo, because she knew vele ukuthi uZonzo naye they were just doing their thing for that night probably. And then what time in Abengtagio is not like I meant to kiss him, blah, 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 but people were not buying it. They were like, we saw what we saw. And then allegedly, DJ Hazel, who happens to be a girlfriend or wife, DJ Zonzo, came up with a post on IG stories saying, Yazini, this girl was even booked. They booked a flight for her. As I don't know if it's Durban or Cape Town. As we spend the night with DJ Zonzo. She was the girlfriend of the night. So how uVuyo wonke lona. So okay, cool. And she said, I only found out because ugirl uye waphapha yabo washuta isithombe. If it wasn't for that video kissing, I wouldn't have known who was the girl that was booked for. So cool. And then DJ Zonzo started apologizing to her, to DJ Hazel, and then they were seen together. After this was with DJ Hazel with yena ungonile kodwa I'm not ready to let go of this man, because what you mean, this man is everything, as you can see. Tloki lapho. So cool. And then uVuyokazi wabona ukuthi yazi manje sengathi ngiba yijoke, wathatha uVuyokazi wakhipha ama screenshots wakhe enomlungu. And mangezi ngapha ngisa man, this image I've seen it before, unless I'm the one that is confused, but I think I've seen this white guy before, you know, because that was what we thought, which uVuyo has upgraded to white man. So unfortunately waveza wathi yabo ukuthi inhliziyo yami ibhilonga kulona, but I'm like, isn't that an old pic? Isn't that maybe your ex? Asazi kushuthi uzwana nomlungu. So why, if you have a man, why were you busy kissing or DJs on? Why you busy twerking? I mean, so this means ukuthi uVuyo mawujola naye once wayeclubini, she can do this type of things, because I mean makadakiwe akabambeki waswara kamule kamo. So cool, fine. And then The next thing we see Uvuyo elapha bemgeza, and as you know, as a black person, sometimes there's this thing ukuthi sometimes khona abantu ukuthi mawuqeda ukuhlangana nabo mawuqeda ukulala nabo, you need to cleanse yourself. So I mean, I felt like she was doing that cleansing part because you can see ukuthi Uvuyokazi is a 10 out of 10. She's beautiful, she's stunning, she's all of that. But unfortunately, when it comes to men, child, this girl is not getting it right. So maybe uvele wabona ngathi sazini, otherwise ngizogcina single forever if ngizoqhubeka nalempilo. So I just needed, to get a cleansing. So yeah, that's it. And one thing about Uvuyo, she needs to fix her attitude, because this thing yokuthi uloku busy uphoxana nabantu is gonna affect you in the future, brand wise, men wise. Thanks for watching this far. If you watch Ozwafia, know that you are a real deal. Please don't leave without liking, commenting, and subscribing. See you next time with another story. Bye, Yola.